My name is Kalina and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wash and go using the Camille Rose Lavender Crush Defining Gel. They sent me these products probably about 2 years ago and I used to use them, and I just haven't used them in a while because I've just been trying so many other products. But I've already done most of my head and I thought I'd just come on and just do the rest of my hair. So I'm just going to get started on this section. So one thing that I noticed about this gel is that your hair doesn't have to be soaking wet. I think it works really well as a one product wash and go. It does have a leave-in that comes with it, but to me sometimes when I put leave-ins on my hair before I put my gel on, like my curls don't define as well or they don't hold as well. So, you know, sometimes I like to go without the leave-in. And today I think I am. And so you can look at my hair, like it's really defining my curls. It still works as good as it did like a couple of years ago when I used to use it. So I'm just gonna finish applying this over my hair, then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you the results. So I just work in small sections. I make sure the whole section is wet enough. I use a spray bottle and I make sure my spray bottle is not on a light mist but on a strong spray setting, just to make sure my hair gets wet enough. And I make sure my ends are, you see my ends, they're just drier than the rest of my hair. And so I took the product and I just worked it in really well. And when I say I worked it in, I mean like I think I pressed it in probably with about 15 strokes. I brushed it and then I worked it in another 5, 6, 7 strokes. So it just takes a while to get that product the way that you want it to look on your hair. So I always work in small sections and just take my time. That's how I get my best wash and goes. So this gel, it has a lot of slip on it, so that makes it easier to work into your hair. My hair is shiny and it also like gives a lot of volume to your hair. So I like that a lot, like volume, but it does have definition and it lasts a few days. It's really good. So when I finish my wash and goes, I want to make sure I get my edges, and so I spray water on my edges first and then I work it in, and then I get that top section because sometimes that gets a little frizzy. It doesn't matter what product I use, so I make sure I spray water on it first because you don't want like to try to put some gel on dry hair because it'll be clumpy or dry looking, or it could even flake. So make sure that it's wet. So I'm just going over my trouble spot. This trouble spot is just frizzy and I don't know what happens. Actually, this whole like section under here, it gets frizzy and doesn't like define as well as the other sections. Okay guys, so I finished applying Crush Defining Gel, the Lavender Crush Defining Gel. I finished applying that on my hair, and so let me take a quick spin so that you can see the back. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to use my hair dryer and I'm just going to dry it, and then once I finish, I'll be back. Okay guys, so my hair is finished. I blow dried it for about 25 minutes. So my hair is mostly dry. It's probably about 95% dry. So let me take a spin so you can see what the back is looking like. I'm sitting here and I don't even know why I even stopped using this product, but I don't know, you know, this is a really good product. Let me tell you something. I just blow dried my hair and my hair is still shiny. Sometimes when you use that blow dryer, it'll take the shine out of your hair. That did not happen. It does have some hold on it. It has more hold on it than I remember that it had. So like I feel like this would actually last. And one of the things that I really like about it is that it has like body. Like it has body and my hair has movement. And so sometimes like when you have a gel like that has some hold on it, it over defines your hair and you look like you don't have any hair. This is still a solid product. I have it on my Instagram stories and I recommended it, and I still recommend it. So yep, this is something that I like. So, and don't get me wrong, it does have like a little bit of frizz, but that kind of gives the body to it. So I'm still liking it. So yeah, well that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.